use discount code JacobViral when you shop. Trying to kind of visually see what's down underneath it here. Oh, you have a cup. Okay. So that's where your bank is, and your 4 and 2 channels.
Yeah, I got well, this is a 4 channel, which is temporary. This is Zapco C2K series. I got to replace this one and this one with 2 more that I have at home.
Okay.
I ain't got to it yet.
Got it. Is this a Vital 7K?
It is.
Okay.
It's running at 1 ohm. That's a skip for, I guess, 43 or whatever, and that's a C-Max 45.
Yeah.
So that's running for the sub. C-Max is running for the mids and highs.
Okay.
And then the elevators that you saw,
yeah.
4.
Really? Wow.
1 for the truck. These 2 are.
How do you fit that many right? Okay, I see how you do it. Wow.
So this one's for the truck. These 2 are for the skip for the sub amp, and then this one's for the C-Max and the highs.
Okay. Wow. That's a crazy bracket.
I got 4 ZB515s on a Vital Power 7K. Yeah, everything else is pretty much on Zapco's C2K series. PRVs and doors.
Okay.
I got old school Boston Pros, 4s, 6.5s up here, and the 8-fillers, along with 0.0 tweeters. And then under here, I have 2 X8 Sundown Audio and old school bazooka tubes. One's here, one's back here. So this counts as only temporary.
Yeah.
And then right behind you is a pair of, is a 10 DD10 back on both sides.
Oh, I see. Okay. Wow. You built this?
Yes, sir.
Wow. 4th order?
Yes, sir.
Do you know like the ratio cubic space tuning? 1 to 1. Wow, so it has a really big back sealed chamber.
Yes.
Like what, 2.5 per sub, or do you remember?
I can't remember right off, but I know it's a 1 to 1 ratio.
Okay. Any SPL tests?
No, but guesstimates probably somewhere around the 58 right now. Okay. Once I get the second Vital in, both of these at, both of them at half ohm. Yeah, she's gonna get more violent once I get the other amp in.
I was gonna say, when you put more, have you already had powered it more than?
Yeah, I used to have 2 Sundown 7500s on it.
Wow. So you went from 2 7500s to a 7K, and it's like a big.
Yeah, but if you look at the internals on that, on the Sundown 75,
yeah,
and the Vital,
that one kills it still.
Oh my god, dude, that thing's so much beefier.
Yeah. Wow. Well, the way it was manufactured, so yeah, awesome, man. What's your name?
Name's Troy.
And it does better with the doors. We're gonna have both open.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it just does better this way.
Okay. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah. Then,
okay.
Then she gonna get serious.
All right.
Hold
Response with the doors even open, and that's crazy. Like you probably could float stuff if you had it at a certain tone and frequency, so that's pretty cool, man. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah.
Your name again?
Name's Troy.
Troy, thanks for watching, Troy, man. Appreciate the demo. That was awesome.
Awesome. Yeah, I hope.
Oh yeah.
See you, Ron.
Yes, sir. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop